Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 Chrysler 200S. This one is gray. Underneath here it's a 3.6 of V6 with 295 horsepower. For wheels, we've got 19-inch alloy wheels. Black leather interior with S stitching. Also has blue accents. All-wheel drive 200S badging. Opening up the tailgate. Got a clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Power windows, Alpine sound system, power seats. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, media display, navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, automatic transmission, USB and auxiliary ports. This Chrysler has 45,287 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Chrysler, visit us at feldmanimports.com.